Welcome to the EdbMails Restore OneDrive Data, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OneDrive Restore Tool lets you securely restore documents, lists, libraries, photos, audio, videos, DOC, TXT, and PDF files from a backup created using EdbMails on a local drive to a Microsoft 365 OneDrive user account. It supports incremental restores, the concurrent restore of multiple backup files, and maintains the original folder structure and access permissions. With flexible options and real-time progress tracking, you can perform fast and seamless restores. Let's walk through how to restore OneDrive data to Microsoft 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Backup SharePoint Sites, OneDrive Teams. Select Restore to SharePoint OneDrive Site. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select the encrypted backup files for restoration. Click Next to continue. Enter the target SharePoint server details. Then click Grant Required Permissions. Select the required options. Then click here to grant admin access automatically. Enter the admin account password.
Click Sign In.
Authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Select the required sites.
Click Continue.
Select the required users.
Click Continue.
Again, you need to authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Admin access being granted to the selected OneDrive site. Admin access confirmed. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Next to continue. Select the required option to load the site. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
Click Start Restore. Restore operation under progress. Restore completion message. Click View Logs button to get Restore operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free OneDrive restore, visit edbmails.com today.